Isn't it great to see things that are harvested the same day? Let me get parsley. I need to make some juices. And I want to make fish. Dill is a good one to use in making. Oh, you have red onions.
Oh, yeah.
Fresh red onions. I want fresh red onions.
Would you like these?
Yeah, chop it up. Do you have kale?
Kale, yeah.
Yes.
What about spinach? Yes, spinach is.
How many bunches of mohair?
Kale, one. Mohair, yeah, you have. Great. I need like 10.
10?
Ooh, see, I just took a chance. All right. Okay. So I'm getting the mohair, the fresh mohair. Even though my fellow backyard garden members are already planting, but we need to get from the harvested ones. What did you give me? I like this Russian kale too. You have it?
I don't think so.
This is just the curly kale.
Yeah.
All right. Let me have
Twisted?
Yes.
Regular
You have the
or
mix.
rainbow?
Oh, you didn't mix them.
No.
The rainbow. Oh, I hope I can carry all this. This kale, this feels like it's soft. I don't like my kale so hard. Okay, and this is how much?
250.
Did you give me one?
Yeah.
This doesn't look too fresh. Maybe that's why you give me this. And then this feels hard. Oh my God, I love coming to farmers market. It makes you feel like you're in a village market. I need to make like salads from roots. I want to have one of those. I'm gonna do some shaved salad with beets and baby beets too. And the baby beets. Yeah, take the leaves out. I mean, I can saute the leaves, right? Can the leaves be eaten?
I think so.
Well, for now, take it out.
Yes.
Wow, she said yes. All right, I'll add it to my saute. I will also go with the purple carrot. These don't cut the leaves all the way because I want to plant them. I think that's it for now. Then I want to get the yellow potatoes. I mean craving potatoes.
Hello?
Isn't it awesome to just get things harvested the same day, sold in the farmer's market? These people are so good. They've been feeding New Rochelle for how many years have you guys been coming here?
Like 20?
Like 20, I know, yeah.
It's been a while.
I know their daddy, long time, it's been a while. Okay, and they do great stuff. Okay, I'm going to add my mohair to it and then I'll pay. All right, thank you. Hi everybody, this is the farmers market, New Rochelle. You can even get fish, seafood, everything. Next week, I think I'm gonna make fisherwoman soup because they have everything. I'm expecting some fresh isam from Nigeria to add to it. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All right, I'm coming right back to you, okay?